Today on Papa's Projects, I want to talk to you about going to the store and buying a deep cycle marine battery from Walmart or somewhere else versus buying an AGM battery that's also a lead acid, but it's sealed, for somebody where it's actually designed for solar, what the difference is after using them for 1 year. When we use this battery, which we did purchase from Walmart, for 1 year, we've gotten to the point where it's hard to keep it charged. And when I'm trying to run it in a 48 volt system, when I put a decent sized load on it, it's not able to hold the load anymore like it did when they were brand new. So they wore out after just 1 year. So if you were thinking about going cheap and buying some Walmart lead acid batteries or something like that, where they're like 80 or 90 bucks a piece, don't waste your money. They're only gonna last a year. I wanted to do this just to see how long they would last. And from what everybody else was saying, it's pretty much right. Now, these over here were close to 200 bucks a piece. Got them off of eBay, and I've been using these for a year. And I actually was going lower on these down to about 10.5 volts and draining these down that far, and I would charge them back up again, and I'm having no problem with them, as where I was only going down to 11 volts on the ones from Walmart, the deep cycle. So these, if you use them right, will last you about 5 to 10 years. They give you like a 3-year warranty on eBay. And you can see the name on there and the website. Easy to go and look up. You can actually buy them off their website or off of eBay. A little cheaper off their website. So these are really dependable batteries. I've had no problems with them. I've bought 18 of these and they work great, whether it be in 12 volt, 24 volt, or 48 volt application. They work very, very well. I would highly recommend them. Anyways, that's a little information on the batteries today from Papa's Projects. See you soon. Hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. Come back and see us again.